Welcome back, guys. It's your internet bestie. We're gonna do another quick unboxing, but we all know my quick unboxings are not quick because I go into a whole spiel. But either way, TikTok got me again. That's been happening a lot in the last month. I think my mail carrier is going to start knowing me by my first and last name, or by the fact that she's always dropping things off. So today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Tarte series. I don't know if you guys saw a few weeks back when they were doing the buy one thing and get something for free. Well, your girl bought into that, but this is literally the cutest packaging on the inside. Literally the cutest. I love it. And I also love the fact that it's wrapped. It's like a little girl gift. That is so cute. And then, to boot, what is so good about Tarte, guys, and this is not a sponsorship, it's not a paid ad, none of that. This is just my opinion. Tarte is a woman-owned business. It comes from a woman who's a CEO, a boss. She created this line. And so I support women-owned businesses. So at the bottom of the packaging, when you open this, it's so cute. I love the lavender lilac, and I love that it has their logo. When it comes to makeup and whatnot, unfortunately, there are times where I am very much a logo girl. I also love the fact that we're going to save that, but we're going to get it out of our way. And look at the bottom of the box. It's so floral. That is so cute. So they send you a little postcard with every purchase. This is the CEO, and I'll just read this off for you. Her name is Maureen Kelly. Again, she's obviously a woman-owned business. It says, I founded Tarte to empower women, believing we all rise together when we lift others up. True, very true. I'm so proud of all the ways that we've been able to give back over the last year. No act of kindness, no matter how small, it goes unnoticed. That is so cool. And then on the back of this, you get a 15% off coupon for your next purchase. Believe me, I will be using that. So this was the buy one, get one free. So this is the, and I already knew what this was. I bought it. This was the Tarte Tartlette tubing mascara, and one of these retails for $27 alone. So if you bought one, I spent $26.50 for two Tarte products, right? So you got the mascara and you got a lip plumper for $27.50. So if you really think about it, you just got this for the price of this, and then you get both. So that's really cool. So this is in shade black. I only wear black for mascara. And I'm super excited to do a follow-up video. I mean, look at how pretty that tube is. And Tarte is a good mascara. Very good mascara. That is so pretty. And then the formula, the tube. I feel that anytime the tube has some weight in it, the better the formula is going to be. So it's super, super nice. And it's got a really nice applicator. Really, really nice applicator. And it honestly, for a mascara, does not smell bad at all. I've had some that smell very, very bad. So yeah, I'm excited to wear this. I'm excited to try this. I've never tried this before. So what I'm hoping, what my go-to right now has been the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I love this. This has been my holy grail. It separates perfect. It does everything that I'm looking for. It's long wear. It doesn't flake, which I hate that. I really do. My other favorite mascara that I've been using is the Studio Makeup Volume Intense Mascara. Again, like I said, any mascara that has a decent weight behind it is going to be worth the value and worth the money. Mascaras are generally, a good mascara is about $30 now. And this has a huge brush, which can be intimidating for some because everybody wants to get into the finer lashes and like by your tear duct, the little guys underneath. I don't use a separate mascara for my bottom lash line. I don't do that. I don't have the time. So these two have been my holy grail. I would be lying to say I don't use this guy first and then this guy second over the two, because I do. I'm a mascara girly. If you see me in anything on a regular, you will see me in eyeliner, mascara, and my eyebrows will always be done. That is the three things that I never leave home without. This is the other thing that I'm really excited to try. This is the Tarte Juicy Lip Plumper. And so this is in shade Rose. It's a shimmer gloss. I mean, seriously, look at that packaging. Look at the tube. That is so pretty. That is so higher up. So beautiful. And then look at that. I mean, seriously, guys. And then all you have to do is just push the button and it keeps going up. That is so pretty. We're going to try it. Oh my God. Like, for real? It doesn't hurt. It's not one of those aggressive plumpers. It feels good. It's not sticky. I really like that. I really, really like that a lot. I find that will probably be my new bestie, to be completely honest. So thank you, Tarte, and thank you, Maureen, for coming out with a good product. And thank you guys again for spending a few minutes with me on this unboxing. And there's going to be a few more coming your way. Go out in the world, be great. For me, it's like the health and beauty or makeup line or whatever of like that.